divide 952 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 2 and it is 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 952 divided by 2 is 476. So this much for today and thanks for watching.